How to do a voiceover recording inside DaVinci Resolve version 16. So we're not going to use the Edit tab, but the Fairlight tab. Fairlight has an audio sign there. These two are from the video itself, which was on the timeline. They are the video's audio part. So we need to insert another track. Right click on empty area here, add track and mono. Okay, we have these two tracks here, audio tracks. They are shown on the right side also. A is from audio. And on the second track, go to this no input and click on input. Okay, on this window we have the microphone here on the left side. It's shown twice. It's a USB microphone. Just select it once so that it's highlighted, and the audio track is also highlighted. You can click on it or unclick it. So the sound of this one will be sent to this track after you click on patch. Now they are linked together. Okay, now let's close this window with this X. And let's make these windows a bit smaller so that we can see the video larger. Okay, and on these two tracks we have R. Press the R of the second track, and now it's echoing. Press that M here on the second track. Now the echo was cancelled, it's not echoing anymore, but it's still not recording the sound. We have to press this record sign up here. Okay, now it's recording my own voice from the microphone, and if I press this R, then it's making a gap, it's pausing, it's not recording my sound. If I press R again, now it's recording my sound again, my voice. If I press this S, the middle one, then it's muting the sound of the video itself. So unpress S so that we can hear the video. And if I press this M, it's going to echo once again, echoing. Okay, if I press this stop sign here, then it's stopping the entire playback, so it's not recording either. Now let's go back from the Fairlight to the Edit tab. Those two recordings are shown here, but they are gray because they are muted, so unmute it from here. And let's preview it. Let's go there with the playhead and play. If I press this R, here we cannot hear anything because it was muted. We press the R, press R again, now it's recording my sound again. Okay, so these two audio recordings are shown here. They are called FL Capture. They are in the Media Pool tab. So let's just select them, FL Capture, and press Delete on the keyboard. They will be removed, but only from this list. So click on remove. We have to delete them from the timeline also. They are not deleted, so select them, hold down Ctrl and press the backspace key, not delete. Backspace deletes the files without leaving a gap, without deleting from the video also. Okay, but they are not deleted from the hard drive. So if I open a File Explorer window and go to a certain path, which is on the C drive, vol 0 in this case, we will show that one later. So vol 0, those WAV files are somewhere here. Yes, they are WAV files, that many megabytes in size. Okay, so to get rid of those files entirely, we have to delete them from here. Okay, and the path is shown here. So go to the settings wheel and master settings, and here at working folders we have that path. In this case it's called vol 0 and it's on the C drive. So if your hard drive is full of cache files because of DaVinci Resolve, then delete them from that path. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.